so they have to be able to react to it.
This is for real. They are going for a real fire. This is for real. That's why they're hurrying. Go fast, fast, fast.
This is where the whole idea, like we work on putting everything in our trailer in exactly the same spot all the time, so that we don't have to do it as quick, but we come out and everything's in the same spot each time to get loaded quickly.
Well, this is for real. They are going. So they're gonna get that first, yeah?
Sorry?
They're gonna get that first. Alpha first.
Depending on what the call was for. It may be a road crash rescue they call that for, or it may be for a fire tender. The good part about it is they obviously practice this.
Oh yeah. Well, we're starting to do that with the trailer.
Yeah, I've been to one of the first time I done it, I just come in and it was one of the first exercises, and everyone was picking up a clue.
Yeah, learning, yeah.
And now there's been a little bit more. I'd say there probably needs to be a lot more because of everything. We're ruining our vehicles.
Okay, they're going. Bye, thank you.
Thanks for the demo. Sorry about that.
No, that's good.
Okay, and this is how a truck drives.